Hey guys, welcome to Fries and Pies. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a gobi fry or cauliflower fry. So let's get into the video and see what are all the ingredients required for the recipe. Take a clean bowl and add 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, quarter tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt you can take according to your taste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well all the added ingredients. Add sufficient water in order to make a smooth paste. So this is perfect. Cauliflower florets which was boiled for a minute by adding a pinch of turmeric powder and salt. Add cauliflower florets into a prepared paste and combine well. While mixing, make sure that florets should not break. Mix it gently. Allow to rest for half an hour to 1 hour. Either you can refrigerate or keep in room temperature. Heat some coconut oil in a kadai for deep frying. Drop gently each cauliflower florets into the hot oil and fry it till golden brown. When one side is done, flip over and fry the other side. You can serve this gobi fry as a side dish during lunch or as a tea time snack. Even you can serve gobi fry as a starter in parties. So done with the gobi fry, strain the excess oil and transfer to a serving plate. Hope you guys like this video. If so, then don't forget to hit the like button and share the recipe with your friends and relatives. Guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, then please do subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos. And also comment me your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.